Merging cells is fun. Well, it might not be exactly incredibly fun, but it is something you need to know how to do when you're using Excel. And there are different options when you can merge cells. We're going to take a look at some of the different options you can do. When merging cells, only the text in the upper left cell will be retained and the other text is deleted. That's probably something important to know. If you're going to merge one cell with another cell and there's data in the other cell, that data will be wiped. So you want to make sure you merge one cell with another only if the other cell doesn't have any information. What do I mean by that? Let me show you real quick. I'm going to type in data 1 and data 2. I am going to take this and merge it into this. Let me just do a quick merge. It gives you a warning. It says, you're going to wipe something out here. Are you sure? I click OK. And as you see, data 2 is gone. So remember that. The data in the upper left cell will be retained. The other information will be wiped. Let me undo this real quick. We'll get rid of that. Taking a look first at the merge across. I'm going to highlight what I want to merge, and this is merging across. We'll go all the way to E. I need to make sure I'm in the Home tab, and I look at the alignment ribbon, and here is the merge and center. If I click to the drop down, I get more options. I'm going to click on the drop down, and I'm going to click merge across. Watch what happens. This merged all the way over to E, this merged all the way to E, and this merged all the way over to E. So this is merge across. Each of these retained their information. They just merged across that row. The next one I want to do is merge cells. So I'm going to highlight 6 and we'll drag it over to E. We may go from 6 down to 9. I've selected what I wanted. I'm going to go to, again, Home, Alignment ribbon, Merge, click the drop down, go to Merge Cells, and notice that these cells have been merged together, but there really isn't any alignment here with that information. It's kind of just down here in the bottom. Next, I want to merge and center. So I'm going to select all the way to E again, go down a few, and this is kind of the default here. You don't have to click the drop down. All you have to do is just simply click merge and center. Notice this was merge cells, this was merge and center. So this was just merging the cells, while this merged and centered the cells. Of course, you can always undo that. Let me click in a merged group right here. I'm going to go up here to the drop down, and I'm going to click unmerge cells. And there we go. It was like it never happened. I'm going to click over here, and I'm going to click merge and center again. And as you see, that also undid the merging of the cells. For even more great tutorials and our complete catalog of online courses, please visit us at mrfordsclass.com.